In this video, you will learn how to hide and show keys. There is a feature in Unity 45, 60, 84, and 144 one-hit called hiding and showing keys. Hiding and showing keys is a tool that allows you to temporarily hide words. This is a great feature to use if a child can access smaller keys but may not be ready for all that many words. For example, a child may be ready for 8 words. Instead of starting with 8-location Unity and no room for growth, the team decides to start with Unity 60 one-hit with keys hidden. To hide keys in Unity 60 one-hit or any other Unity one-hit program, select the toolbox key, then the setup key, and then hide show keys in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now select Hide All towards the top of the screen. It is now time to touch the 8 words you want showing. I am going to show the words I, go, stop, eat, drink, more, color, and read. I am also going to show the clear key so I can clear the message window during communication. Notice the keys turn from gray to white when they are showing. Note that they are toggles, so if you accidentally show a key you do not want to show, you can select it again to hide it. Then select the gray text box key at the top of the screen when you are done showing the keys. This is what Unity 60 one-hit looks like with some keys hidden. When you are ready to add more words or show all the words, head back to the toolbox key, then select the setup key, and hide show keys again. Either touch more words to show, or select Show All. Then select the gray text box at the top of the screen when you are done showing the keys. You now see all of the words showing. Thank you for learning how to hide and show keys in Unity one-hit.